would definitely bring a raincoat with you, especially if you're going to go out past about noon and 1 o'clock, because we do have a chance for some spotty showers. Temperatures out there upper 60s for a lot of us, but look, the dew points are not far behind. It's incredibly muggy out there, and humidity only acts to further fuel the threat for thunderstorms. So not really what we want to see right now. Most of us cloudy. Clouds will begin to break apart just a bit, and that's actually a problem when you have chances for thunderstorms. You can actually already see them over New York State. Drop into the east-southeast. Clouds break apart. That allows for some sunshine, and sunshine adds instability into the atmosphere. That's going to increase the chance for not only thunderstorms, potentially strong to severe thunderstorms. Timing of that, noon to about 6 o'clock is the highest risk, even more so about, I'm going to say 1 to 5 o'clock, I'll say, for the best timing, because that's when the coverage is going to be the highest for today. Highs upper 70s, low 80s along the coast, though, because of a northeasterly wind, only 72 to 77, quite a bit cooler. But as we go into tomorrow, likely thunderstorms again, and then likely thunderstorms again on Monday. And in fact, the chance for some severe weather tomorrow is even higher than today. Today we could see some gusty winds and hail. Tomorrow, gusty winds, hail. I don't even want to rule out an isolated tornado tomorrow either. I'll time that out for you coming up.
All right, on 7 News Now.
Fortunately, the forecast, I will say what we're just looking at, that was fog. So it's not raining yet. Most of us are dry. It's definitely foggy out there in a lot of spots. Definitely have some low clouds hanging around. But yes, thunderstorms this afternoon. Some of them could become strong to severe. The risk for severe weather is even higher actually going into tomorrow. And we do have more storm chances on Monday as well. So here's the severe thunderstorm risk for today. It's a level 1 out of 5, so it's not extremely high. But really the target zone for our viewing area, southern New Hampshire, Worcester County, and just off to the east of that as well. I don't want to rule out some strong to severe thunderstorms in Boston either. This graphic's coming from the Storm Prediction Center. Tomorrow, that threat's even higher. And again, it's northern Worcester County and southern New Hampshire we have to watch out for the most. That's a level 2 out of 5 for severe weather. For today, hail, gusty winds. As we go into tomorrow, hail, gusty winds. I don't even want to rule out an isolated tornado. Not something I say very often, but unfortunately, that's the setup that we have going into tomorrow. This morning is dry. Highest chances for storms probably between about noon and 5 o'clock. If you want to get even higher coverage, looking around 1 to 4 o'clock, we'll see for the highest coverage. But look at 2, 3, and 4 o'clock. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some could be strong to severe. Again, with hail, some gusty winds is a possibility. By 6 o'clock, most of us drying out, except for the Cape. Overnight, I actually don't want to rule out some downpours. In terms of the severe weather for tomorrow, this is not what I'm concerned with in terms of severe weather early tomorrow morning. In fact, we're actually going to have a lot of dry time tomorrow because the overnight rain and early morning rain rolls out pretty quickly. Mid-morning hours, afternoon hours, primarily dry. But this is the line of thunderstorms we're watching for tomorrow for the risk for some severe weather. But that's 5 o'clock, and look how far off to the north and west it is still at that time. It takes until about 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock for that line to actually get to our region. So we have to watch out for that today. Afternoon temperatures today a little bit cooler along the coastline because we have that northeasterly wind. So a lot of you into the mid 70s. Farther inland, though, we're going to be into the upper 70s and low 80s. Tomorrow, a lot of us upper 80s and low 90s, actually. Tomorrow's going to be much hotter and even more humid. Today, dew point 69. That's oppressive. Tomorrow, 71. That's also oppressive. And then we go back down to the 60s for Monday and your Tuesday. And it's also going to be breezy tomorrow. That's why we're going to be so warm. A strong southwesterly wind. So for today, 80 scattered thunderstorms. Tomorrow, storms late. Could be some downpours in the early morning hours. 90 degrees. More thunderstorm chances on Monday, 82. Drier Tuesday and Wednesday, 83 to 90 on Wednesday. Thursday, chance for some isolated storms, 82. The best day looks to be Friday because we have bright sunny skies with a high temperature down to 78, and you actually have a cooler morning in the upper 50s.